Daily use English conversation for beginners. How are you? It's very thoughtful of you. God bless you. Enjoy yourself. Follow me. I just made it. Where are you from? How can I go to the town center? When is the train leaving? What is going on? What's your phone number? What's your name? What is your job? What's your email address? So I do. I decline. See you next time. See you. No, I don't want. It's for the best. It really takes time. It's okay. It's on the tip of my tongue. I'm at home. I agree. I have no idea. Absolutely not. What are you doing? Is everything okay? Believe me. Call me back. As soon as possible. Give me a hand. I do not understand. I do not mean it. How much is it? How old are you? How was your weekend? What did you say? What do you need? What do you think? What do you want to do? What do you want? What's the weather like? Where are you going? Is all good? Good morning. Good day to you, sir. He is still not well. Well done, keep it up. I will call you later. I will catch you soon. Please give me your hand. Get out of my sight. I did not understand. What do you mean? What are you talking about? Could you stay away from my stuff? I am feeling tired today. I am sorry. It's none of your business. I don't know. We both like each other. Come quickly. Talk to you later. Thank you very much. What's your problem? Can I ask you something? It was nice meeting you. What is going on? What are your likes and dislikes? Sorry for the inconvenience. Will you please help me with this? This is not a joke. What is happening here? Stop kidding. Did you get my point? What do you want from me? How old are you? Where is your office? Get ready to go to school. I will try my level best. Are you joining us?